everyone, and welcome back to, I guess it could be come sit with me, it could be what the heck is she doing now, making dinner. Been listening to the storm bed. There we go, it's getting excited. So I'll do this normal woo woo, and it goes wee. I was talking to a friend earlier. We got some neighbours. They got blew up tents and I am so jealous. Literally no poles. They attached air and the tent blew up. As did the mattresses. We got air mattresses too, so new. You hear the storm bird get excited again. So no, I don't want you to be excited. I know what you mean. But I do want it to be excited because it's obviously living its best life. Yeah, it's really hard. Hello, darling. To put butter on when it's hard because it's been on ice. Until roll with a knife. But I just wanted you to listen to the storm bird getting excited. And it is. And then it stops. Oh my God, he's got a leaf blower and dusting his car. I thought we were doing it a bit fancy, darling.
Yes.
Oh my God. What the heck?
Not the butter gonna do it.
Oh, dude, what if they've got asthma next to you?
It's just like them issue.
Well, yeah, well, I guess. And they said don't ride your motorbike. And here we got leaf blowing and shit. That's crazy.
Yeah.